the Lion of Sihagarh, Tanaji Malusare. In the 17th century, India was a land of towering forts, and even mightier warriors. Among them stood one man, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the architect of Swarajya, brave, visionary, and fiercely committed to freedom. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj waged a daring struggle against the mighty Mughal Empire and other oppressive forces that ruled over the Deccan. But, empires are not built by kings alone. Behind Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj stood a legion of loyal warriors, men of steel and spirit, ready to lay down their lives for their homeland. Among the foremost was Tanaji Malusare, a childhood friend of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a skilled swordsman, and a Maratha lion whose roar would echo through history. The year was 1670. The strategic Kondhana fort, perched on the Sahyadri hills near Pune, had fallen into Mughal hands. Its elevation and steep cliffs made it nearly impregnable, and a direct assault meant certain slaughter. But for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, regaining Kondhana was critical, both symbolically and strategically. He entrusted the mission to his trusted commander, Tanaji Malusare. At that time, Tanaji Malusare was busy preparing for his son's wedding. When summoned, he did not hesitate.
आधी लगीन कोंढाण्याचे, मग माझ्या रायबाचे.
These words, spoken without a moment's doubt, would go down in legend. Kondhana's fortifications were formidable, but Tanaji had a secret weapon, not of steel or fire, but scale and instinct. Yashwanti, a ghorpad, a monitor lizard, had been trained to climb steep surfaces. A rope was tied to her, and she was released at night, her claws silently gripping the vertical stone wall as she ascended. Yashwanti reached the top, anchoring the rope for Tanaji and his men to follow. One by one, they climbed into the darkness, hearts pounding, blades ready. A storm was brewing, both in the skies and in their souls. The surprise attack caught the Mughal garrison off guard. What followed was a brutal hand-to-hand battle under the cloak of night. Steel clanged against steel. The fort's defenders, led by the seasoned Rajput commander Udebhan Rathod, fought fiercely. Tanaji, in the thick of it, was a whirlwind of valor. Even when his shield shattered mid-fight, he wrapped his pagdi around his arm to block blows and pressed on. He struck down many foes, but in the final clash with Udebhan, the lion met his match. Both warriors fell, but victory belonged to the Marathas. Kondhana was theirs again, but their leader had fallen. When word reached Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the joy of victory was extinguished by the grief of loss. He is said to have uttered the immortal words,
गड आला, पण सिंह गेला.
Those simple words carried the weight of a nation's sorrow. In honor of Tanaji's supreme sacrifice, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj renamed the fort Sihagarh, the fort of the lion. Tanaji Malusare became more than a warrior. He became a symbol of loyalty that defied death, of courage that climbed cliffs, of sacrifice that shaped destiny. Yashwanti the Ghorpad, though silent in the tale, became a humble yet vital part of Maratha law, proof that even the smallest creature can shift the course of history when in the service of a noble cause. To this day, Sihagarh stands not just as a monument of stone, but as a memorial to one man's undying devotion and a nation's timeless spirit, and every gust of wind that whistles through its ramparts carries the story of the lion who never came back, but who never truly left.